Once you've finished configuring your robot, you are ready to export it to synthesis. Make sure you have joints assigned to all moving wheels and manipulators, and that your wheels are the base of your robot in the view cube. You can change the view by right-clicking and selecting Set View as Front. When you're ready to export, enter the Environments tab and select Robot Exporter. If your Robot Exporter button does not show up, watch our other tutorial to learn how to ensure that it is there. When you open the Robot Exporter in Exporter Setup, a window will open. Begin filling out the information. Select your drivetrain and drag your wheels from the joint list to their respective sides. You can also change your weight, but if you leave it blank, the exporter will define a materials generated weight. Define your wheel type and change friction levels if you desire. When you finish defining your left and right wheels, select Next to edit any other moving parts on your robot. Define your joint driver using the drop-down and change PWM ports and gear ratios. Assigning different PWM ports to different stages of an elevator lift will allow you to operate them independently of each other in the simulator. To operate them simultaneously, assign them to the same PWM port. When you are done defining manipulator movement, click Finish. If you want to edit any of your configured settings, you can enter the advanced settings and change any of your joint information. If you're satisfied with your information, select Export Robot, name your robot, choose your color option, and if you'd like to open your robot in synthesis, choose that option. When you're done, click OK, and your robot will start exporting. Please keep in mind that this may take a while.